Different sounds of C. Hard sounds when C sounds like K. When C comes before vowels A or U, example, camera, car, or cut. When C comes before a consonant, it also sounds like K, across, actor, craft. When C comes at the end of a word, example, basic, disco, or epic. Now, second form. When C sounds as S, that means soft sound of C. When C comes before a vowel, E, I, or Y. For example, city, send, cypress, cell, or circle. When C sounds as SH. When C is followed by two vowels, example, social, ocean, facial, or financial. Silent C, science. Here is C is silent. Muscle, C is silent. Scenario, C is silent.